Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup investor documents using NotaryCam, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin using NotaryCam for backing up investor documents, first, visit the NotaryCam website. Create an account by clicking on the Sign Up button. Fill out the required information to register. Once registered, log in to your new account. Navigate to the Documents section on the dashboard. Click on the Upload button to start adding your investor documents. Select the specific files you wish to backup from your device. After uploading, review each document for accuracy. Once confirmed, proceed to the next step by selecting Backup Options. Choose the cloud storage preferences that suit your needs. You may select from various providers or use NotaryCam's built-in options. Then, set the document accessibility preferences for your team. Ensure you decide who can view or edit the documents. After setting preferences, click on the Backup Documents button. Wait for a confirmation message indicating the process is complete. To verify the backup, return to the Documents section. Confirm that your investor documents are safely stored in your chosen location. Now you are ready to access your backed up documents securely whenever you need. This efficient method ensures your important investor materials are safely preserved. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.